This week, we're building on last week. Breakfast is a really easy one to go plant-based. Just change a couple of ingredients and you're there. Whether you're a cereal or a toast kind of person, you can go plant-based with a couple of simple changes. Stick around to find out how. This is Plant Your Life, a channel dedicated to helping you reduce the amount of animal products you have and increasing the healthier plant-based options, so that you can reach your goal of being healthier or having a lower eco footprint or eating with a clear conscience, or all three, because you will be. If you are new here, maybe check out the channel introduction so you can start this series from the beginning. To help the channel, it'd be fantastic if you hit that like button now. That will share this video with more people just like you and make more people just like you to be near you. So how did you go with the milk last week? What did you try? What worked? What didn't work? It'd be fantastic if you write a comment below, help somebody else in their journey. Maybe when you went out, you forgot and had a cow milk coffee because that's what you used to. And that's okay. We all make mistakes and it's okay. Just keep on going, keep focused, and you'll get there. I promise. Hopefully, you did figure out a plant-based milk that you like. And now, it's really simple to switch the cow milk that you have in the fridge for that plant-based milk and use that for your cereal instead. It might be a different one to the one that you like for coffee. So take note, often a cheaper one will do for breakfast, so it's okay. Some accompaniments that you have with your cereal could be yogurt. There is an amazing array of soy, coconut, or even oat-based plant options out there in the yogurt department. And they come in an incredible array of flavors too, just like the cow ones. My personal favorite is a vanilla-infused coconut yogurt. It's a little bit of an indulgence. I easily justify it because I have a little bit on top of my whole food, high in omega-3, flax and chia seed based cereal. But hey, let's not get into making our own cereal just yet. One step at a time towards your health, right? The next ingredient you might need to look at to make plant-based is your actual cereal. Sometimes they throw bits of milk or something, egg, into your cereal, and it's worth checking. I'm not going to go too much into it, but as you go through this, checking ingredient labels becomes really important. Another common breakfast option is toast with butter and a spread. Oh yes, don't we just love butter and jam? Now I'm not going to get into the details of how bad sugar is and all those sorts of things that come in the jam. Let's just focus on the butter, shall we? There are two really good options to replace butter. If you like toast, then my favorite is avocado or hummus spread across the top because they're stunning whole foods that you can replace butter with. Really tasty. Alternatively, you can get a vegan butter, which is a plant-based option that looks and feels and tastes just like the original. My favorite is called the Vegan Block by Naturali. I personally reserve it just for my Fatterday or Saturday breakfast. It really is just like the original cow butter. It's got that same taste, it's got the same salt content, it is just delicious. So an interesting fact, as you'll see from this table, is the saturated fat content of the cow butter is actually 14% higher than the alternative. And the monounsaturated fat, i.e. the good fat, is about 7% higher. So you can see even the bad plant-based option is better for you than the cow. So the challenge this week is to pick up a plant-based yogurt and butter alternative to go along with that plant-based milk that you chose last week. Here's a little progress report to show you how well you're doing. If you change just these weekday meals to a plant-based option, then you are hitting 23% of your meals being 100% plant-based. It's a real big shift with just a couple of changes to ingredients. Well done. Good work. Thanks for the early like. That will help spread the word. If you haven't already, you can try it now. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to get these updates every week, and it'll also help spread the word to more people like you. If you know somebody that's struggling with the shift to a plant-based diet or wants to eat more plants in their diet, then share this series with them. I think you'll find they will really appreciate the little shifts that this channel offers each week. So now it's over to you. Tell me, which butters did you try? Did you try a yogurt? Is that something that you go for? Maybe you don't eat breakfast. That's okay. You focused on the milk. Write a comment below. Tell me so that I know, and your fellow followers, fellow plant changers, that what the best options are. Now at this time, I'm going to just recommend this app called A Billion Veg. I'm not affiliated with it in any way other than registering for it. You can follow me on there. People like myself leave reviews for different products so you can understand what's the best product that's near you at the time, so you can go and find some really good plant-based options in your neighborhood. I'll see you later. Have a great day.